about a poison which is even more lethal than a cobra venom. This poison belongs to a plant kingdom and it is called as ricin. You must have heard about ricin in the recent news where Gujarat ATS played a major role in busting a terror attack. According to the International Chemical Weapons Convention (CWC), ricin is considered as a Schedule 1 toxic compound, which means it is highly lethal in nature and its large-scale production or stockpiling is completely illegal in India. But why is there so much of fuss around ricin? What can ricin do in a human body? Well, ricin is a tox albumin. It is a proteinaceous compound and it inhibits protein synthesis in our body, which can actually lead to multiple organ failure and eventually death. Ricin is actually extracted from the plant Ricinus communis, which is also called as castor oil plant. Now, the seeds of these plants are highly toxic and the oil extract from these seeds contain two types of ricin. Okay, ricin 1 and ricin 2, out of which ricin 2 is highly toxic. Now, this ricin 2 is actually made up of two peptide chains, chain A and chain B. Chain B helps chain A to endocytose into the cell. Now, once chain A gets into the cell, it binds with the 60S ribosomal unit and it inactivates the ribosomal unit and thereby stops the protein synthesis there. And one of the most notorious activity of this poison ricin is that it is tasteless and it is odorless in its most purified form. So if this purified form is mixed with some edible item, it gets almost impossible to detect for a common human being before consuming that item. But apart from its homicidal usage, ricin has also been used experimentally in the bone marrow transplants and also to kill cancer cells. So think about it. If Gujarat ATS was not able to seize this terror attack on time, how much of mass lethality and mass destruction could this poison cause?